welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm still doing projects for my beauty room. It's still not all the way together, but I decided I'm going to just show you guys how I achieved the sun is super bright, how I achieved this flower chandelier. So I guess I wanted to just show y'all how I did it. Also, you guys, I appreciate all the love on my other videos that you guys have been giving me. It's really been on other social media platforms. I don't know why y'all won't just comment under the video, but either way, I still appreciate the compliments on my beauty room. But yeah, it's not nowhere near done. I have a lot more to go. Like, I guess, excuse me, it's probably like 50. I'm gonna say it's like 50% done. I'm gonna say 50% done because I have gotten somewhat of a lot done, but there's a lot of stuff on my checklist that I still need to check off. So there's that. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and get straight into the video. By the river, in a little tent. Cute. I don't know which way to go. It goes this way. I don't know, but this is how the chair looks. It's really cute. I'm loving it. Let me see if you guys can see that. So yeah, so this is how the chair came out. It's super cute. I really like it, and it's like really spacious. Like the seating part, it's the perfect color. It matches my wall and my aesthetic. And I also got it because of the gold legs. My other chair is gray, which I'm going to keep it just because I have two areas on my desk where I do my work. So my gray one is still going to be for my clients, and then my pink one is just going to be my actual makeup chair for me. So yeah, the other one's gray and silver. I kind of want to get two pink chairs, but that's kind of doing too much. Like, it's nothing wrong with the gray one, so I'm just going to keep it and probably clean it off. So now I'm out on my patio. I have already started spray painting. Let me show y'all. I just already started spray painting the reef that I just showed you a clip of. That was green. We're spray painting that white just so it can look a little bit more seamless, and you won't be able to really see it through the white flowers. So I'm just spray painting that, and then we're gonna get started. Okay, so for the products I'm going to be using, excuse the paint on my hands, I'm going to be using this clear string. It's going to go to, it's going to be able to hang the chandelier up, so it can kind of look like it's floating in a sense. So I'm going to be using this, and I'm just going to be using a hot glue gun as well, and the flowers in the wreath. So you really don't need much supplies for this project. So these are the flowers that I chose to pick out for my chandelier, my flower chandelier. So these are the white flowers. I just ordered them from Amazon, but of course I will be linking everything down in the description box below. So I just wanted to show you which flowers I got. I got 1 pack of each, so hopefully it's going to be enough. I can always buy another pack and add more if I want it a bit, you know, a little bit more flowers added to it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start the process and show you guys. So the first thing I did was take the clear string that I had, and I cut it into 3 different strings, of course. So I just put like a good amount, I'm not even measuring anything, I'm just putting a good amount just in case if I need to go ahead and cut it. So I just tied those string one end to the wire, the end of the, not the wire, but the wreath, if that makes sense. So I just tied it like 3 times in a knot to make sure that it was pretty secure, and then I just cut the excess off. And it's clear, so it really doesn't matter because you can't even see it. So, but hopefully you guys can get a gist of what I'm doing, because I know the string is clear, so it's like kind of hard to see, if not almost impossible to see what I'm doing, other than you can kind of tell I'm tying something. But I just left enough of the string to be able to hang on the ceiling, so I didn't say that part. But make sure it's just long enough, depending on the height you want it to be. So it's really up to you. So this part is kind of self-explanatory. I don't really need to explain it, but pretty much all I did was wrap the first, I had, I believe, 3 sets of flowers, white flowers that came in my pack, I believe so. So all I did was just wrap that around the wreath and just hot glued it in certain places. I tried to start in the center of the wreath and then work my way out, but it kind of doesn't look like that just because, I mean, the flowers is kind of all over the place. But I just started in the center, and then I worked my way on the outer side of the wreath until I liked it. You can do as many flowers as you want or as less flowers as you want. It's really up to you, because this is, you know, your project. So yeah. Alright, so this is how the white flowers came out on the wreath. I really love it. I did have some little flowers on the side that like probably fell off, so I'm going to probably just glue those in different places where I feel like it needs to be filled in. So as far as the pink flowers go, all I did was take majority of the leaves off. I didn't want that many leaves to be on the just on the chandelier in general, so I took majority of the leaves off. I probably left like one or two on each stem. I did that, and then you're gonna actually need a wire cutter if you get these exact flowers, because I didn't realize that the stems are wires. So I just took my scissors and I kept bending it until it broke. But I pretty much cut the top of the stem off, well, the bottom of the stem off, and then I just curved it as you guys see, and I'm just going to hook them on to the wreath. So I don't have to glue it, I don't have to do anything but hook them on. I can take them off later on. I could keep them, add more, you know. I feel like it was just way easier doing it this way, and probably the smartest way to do it. So you can kind of just play around where you want them to be. So that's pretty much what I just did. Alright, you guys, so this is the final product, and I absolutely love it. I feel like I did a really great job at recreating this look. I can't wait to put it up on the ceiling. Of course, I can't reach it because I'm too short. I definitely tried, but yeah, I'm too short. So, but this is definitely how it looks like. I thought it was just the cutest thing ever. And yeah, look at me right now, trying to put it up there knowing dang well I'm too short. I don't know what I was doing, but I guess I was trying to really just see how it was going to look. So here's a better look at it. I should have did this in the first place. But this is kind of getting you guys an idea of how it's going to look before I actually hang it up. And look at this price, y'all. So I'm so glad that I made it, because who is about to spend $200 something on some fake flowers and a wreath? The wreath costs $2. So I'm definitely glad that I decided to do this DIY, and I definitely suggest you guys in trying to make it as well if you like it. But of course, that concludes this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it so much, just as much as I did making the video. And if you guys love it, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also comment down below if you guys would like to see more DIY projects. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye. Mwah.